Guys, what is up? It's your boy, and today we're back with another video, as of course, playing short horror games, or I guess you could say knockoff version of, uh, knockoff version of Fierce to Fathom, because currently I am slightly a little too lazy to actually get the little thing. Well, it's not really lazy, it's more so I gotta make money first, and it's gonna be a very long time before that actually happens. So in the meantime, we're going to be playing this, and this is called Short Horror Games, if you guys weren't here for part 1 and part 2. If you weren't, you should go watch this one and go watch this one, and I have a bunch of other videos of coming on the channel. Of course, we have 2 more coming of these guys coming soon. As you've seen in the last episode we did the night shift janitor. Now in this episode, we're going to be doing Willie's Game. And in Willie's Games is, I guess, the third one on this side, before eventually we start the left. So I guess let's get right into it. As you know, we like to solo stuff on this channel, so we're going to be doing, player. Me saying soloing on this channel is just basically another way of me admitting I have no friends, but that's fine. It's okay to it's really not. But, you know, you get the gist. Lives 3? What are you talking about? I'm so confused. Is this bugged? Because I generally cannot see anything. Oh, that was interesting. Oh my god, they actually changed the show for once. It's not the same stupid show it once was. Interesting. Breaking news! I dig with this music.
Local authorities have issued a warning to city residents following recent events. A series of disappearances has been reported across the city. Detectives are investigating and have determined that all the missing individuals were last seen downtown. Authorities are urging everyone to stay indoors and avoid the downtown area until further notice. If you notice anything unusual, please report it to the police immediately. We will continue to provide updates as new details about the investigation emerge.
Interesting. Is that a rat? You guys know what we have to name our pets, right? We're naming him Little Jimmy. Ooh, that's a bit creepy. What's this? Order today. Stupid ads. I'm kind of hungry. Feels like I haven't eaten in ages. I should check in the fridge for something to eat. Oh, it's one of those types of kitchens. You know, I've always had mixed feelings on having the kitchen like this. There's little Jimmy. What's up, little Jimmy? Hungry? Examine. This ramen's really old. I probably shouldn't eat it. Then why would you leave it there? We got 3 Coca-Colas, or 3 Cokes, and a milk jug. Why is it sideways? Oh, you couldn't fit it, I'm assuming. Okay, that's... Yeah, it is a bit too late for coffee, ain't it? Okay, this is where we live, huh? We're actually taking a deeper look. I thought we were watching... I thought... Ooh, secret ending? The things I do for you guys, I'm pretty sure you have to pay for that. Hey, we might have to come back in the future and buy that, I guess, but I don't know. Is that a homeless man? Jesus Christ. Hey, sorry to bother you. Do you have any spare change? I haven't ate all day. Listen, man, I'm just as broke as you. I'm starving. Anything helps. Ew. Don't talk to me. Damn. Or rude much. Does the diner, you know, they have some poor... Does it, damn, why are we being so mean to him for? This is why you don't talk mean to people. Because this is... Karma's gonna come and bite you right in the ass. Because, come on. Have we not learned from... What? Have we not learned from Ghostface? Have we not learned from... Oh, there's actual people in this game. This time. Okay. Hey, can I just order a hamburger with a side of fries, please? Sure. Would you like anything else? Nah. But there is a bum sitting outside your diner who's begging people for money. Oh. Okay. Take a seat. Your food shouldn't take long. Alright, I guess we're taking a seat. I like... Turn the fucking radio off, because it's starting to piss me off. Take a seat. Just sit anywhere, or... Oh, literally right here. You chose the worst option, but okay. What just happened? So we're just gonna act like we haven't heard screaming outside. Pay for the food. Okay. Concerns me a little bit, but I guess we're not. The homeless person is gone. Okay, I guess we just didn't hear the screaming. I have the biggest wolf ears, and I guess we just didn't hear anything. That makes so much sense. Yeah, I'll get back into the car. Who's that? Hey, what are you doing next to my car? What is that? What is what? I'm sorry, that scared me. So, is this just a knockoff Jig Saw? What is going on in this story? What the? Where am I? Dude, is this Jig Saw? My head hurts. What happened? You're finally awake, says Willie. I've been watching you for a while now. Your whole life, you have been rude and ungrateful to others. What did I tell you about being mean to people was gonna do? I guess I foreshadowed it because it came right and bit us right in the rear. You will be put through numerous puzzling, deadly challenges. You know, when I thought this game currently, I thought we were gonna be, you know, going through an arcade, not talking to some Wish.com version of Jig Saw. Lucky for you, somewhere in this room, I hid a key to the door that takes you to Challenge 2. The only way for you to get out of this room is through that door. Time to prove you deserve to live. Good luck. Well, I'll tell you this. After this, I ain't gonna be rude to anyone anymore. It's a life lesson right here. Darn man if you took things to the extreme. Extreme. Nothing in there. Nothing in there. Alright. Found it. Okay. What do we do now? I guess we just... Oh, I was supposed to pick it up. I'm stupid. That! Ooh. You made it to the second. I don't know what he said. Unfortunately, this next stage is not so easy. You will have to jump across these platforms to reach to the other side. Oh. If you fall, you will be met with a pit of spikes. I'm not trying to get stabbed up the anus. Okay, so he's forcing us to speed. Can we at least sprint? You will inhale and killing. Okay, well, where'd you get this gas from? The Joker? How long do we have? Is that 30 seconds? Okay, this is not too bad. Okay, that wasn't too bad. What am I supposed to... What am I supposed to do? Bro, I'm in the other side. I just wait here for the timer to go off? Okay, I think I'm good now. I'm surprised you're still alive. Well, this is the next challenge. Is much harder. Touch the laser and you will die. Well, it's just gonna be one laser across the room. Hey, your first challenge was hella easy, dude. There's no shot this next one's gonna be much harder. Oh, fuck you too. Alright. Damn, all you had to do was climb the wall. I don't think the developer thought of that, really. Oh, that's interesting. Do I even need to explain what you must do for this? No, you really don't. I think I understand completely. Not only do you have to jump across the plat... What do you mean, jump? Oh. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, yeah. Oh, okay, did they come down slowly? Okay, I think I got this. Oh, maybe not a whole lot, but I got this, don't worry. We chillin'. No! Are you kidding me? How did I hit it? Okay. Bro. Okay, we have to really lock in. Am I going too early? Are you kidding me? That wasn't the one I had in mind. Bro. That part's obvious. Alright guys, I got us caught up back to date. I'll probably never cut this of course, so you guys, it's just gonna be a time skip for you guys. Okay, I think I got it. Just we really have to wait for all of them. Are you kidding me? This is just annoying. Bro. This is just getting stupid. I'm starting to actually get pissed now. Ow. Literally. What the ooh, I'm out of rage. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna have to ooh. Alright guys, I'm back for the 4,000th time to do this, because this is just starting to piss me off. There's no reason I should be losing to a kids game. Bro, it's on Roma! Oh, calm down. Don't scream, don't scream. Are you f***ing kidding me? I managed to get us back up to the part again. Now this is the next day. I had to go, you know, calm down before I was gonna punch a hole to my monitor because this game is asshole. But we're gonna get this straightened out. There's no reason this should be that hard. But we're gonna do it. What the f is that hitbox? Bro! Are you what? You. On so many levels. Open the damn door. I made it to the other side. Okay. Oh my god! This video is probably gonna be like an hour long just for my mistakes. I shouldn't be losing to a kid's game. Oh, hell no. Yeah, you get me, really. Shut your ass up. For this challenge, we are going to need get past two different obstacles. Yeah, I'm assuming we get to choose. For the first one, you must be careful. Okay. Oh, we have to do both of them. Never mind. How will you? It's a bear trap. I'm pretty sure you can survive. It's gonna hurt like hell. Alright, I'm assuming this is the last phase and obstacle, and I don't want to restart, so please don't make me. We have to lock in extra careful for this. And that, therefore, will be the end. Okay. And I could finally, record the other part. Alright, I guess we're just gonna do this one first. They say not to look down, but that was f***ing close. Okay, that wasn't too bad. No. Jesus Christ, that was a close call twice. Okay, this one's really not that hard. You couldn't put like 50 more? That was extremely easy. Oh god, there's more, isn't there? That's where he went? That's where bro went? Yeah, I don't want to. Why is he in this? He didn't deserve to die. Why is he getting the blame for it? Okay, yeah, but then what did he do so bad that he needed to get fired? Okay, then why? If he didn't do anything, you only punish bad people. Okay, I don't think he deserves to die. No. Okay, she already passed away. Okay, yeah. Okay, I feel bad for him. Okay. Is there spikes on there? I don't want him to die. Okay, we have to really lock in. I don't want him to die. We have to save him. I will not let you die, little man. Nigga, bro! It's funny. Yes, come on! No! No way! That was by accident! No, I didn't mean to. No, you had to keep the valve. No, I didn't want to kill him. I didn't realize you had to keep turning. I feel so bad. You didn't deserve to die. No! Oh, I'm gonna kill this evil son of a bitch. You mean I'm slow? What the f? Oh, we have to find 3 levers. Oh god. I see that. You know, I really don't. Okay, we got 1. That's 1. Okay. I'm hoping there isn't any monsters, so we're gonna have to be real careful. Okay, there's the other one. It's not hidden behind lasers. No. Okay, what is there? Something feels off. You know, okay, that's where the key is. Okay, you know what, they hinted at it. I guess I'm just stupid. What is this now? Oh god. Special endings. I'm pretty sure you have to pay for these. See, I would want to kill this asshole, but I can't even pick up a baseball bat. Okay. Yeah, your last challenge didn't have anything. I don't know. You wanted me to. Yeah, but I'm built different. Just ignore the amount of deaths I died, but no one has ever survived challenges this way. I guess I'll have to finish this myself. Your life no longer matters. You know what? You. This is what you get for killing that homeless man that didn't deserve to die. No, no, we getting revenge. No. We can't leave Terry. Terry, I'm sorry for what I said to you in that parking lot. But now that I'm sorry, I'm beating him up for you. Bring it on. Is he gonna fight me or? Okay, I got you. Okay. And dodge. Okay. This is for Willie. This is for Willie. This is for homeless man. Everything is for the homeless man. I've never been so pissed more a day in my life than now. I died 4 times. I died 4 times. I died 4 times. 4 times on this stupid chainsaw. This is for the homeless man. Health increased or not, I still beat your ass. I still beat your ass. Look at you, standing up dead. Don't I still beat your ass. Oh, get the f out of here. You escaped Willie's games. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna start recording the other one so I can get to editing in a minute. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Peace.